Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today I'm going to show you a very clean and green way to clean dirty grout. If you don't know what grout is that little cement strip that you see in between the tiles on your floor. Okay, to do this we will use baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and some dishwashing liquid. Also make sure you have a toothbrush. So let's get started. Down below I'll have the instructions and how to put this together. But right now I'm going to show you a spot clean. So look at your dirty grout. I will just sprinkle a little baking soda along the grout. Then I'll use some hydrogen peroxide. And the baking soda basically is your scrubbing power. Okay? And the hydrogen peroxide has a whitening, cleaning power to it. And I will put a couple of drops of detergent. Okay. And I'll mix these up. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more baking soda on here. Okay, there we go. All right, so pretty much going to put this solution together. Use a toothbrush for the scrubbing. I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and we'll scrub it through and see how well it cleans. Okay, after about 10 minutes, you probably can see that it has foamed up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's raised. You get a toothbrush that has a firm bristles, and you just start doing a little scrubbing. As you can see, I'm going in a circular motion, pretty much the same way that your dentist will tell you how you should brush your teeth, in a circular motion. The grout is very porous, so as you go through, a little scrubbing. You will be lifting the dirt. The baking soda will give you that abrasive power you need in order to lift the dirt. Oh, it went off camera there for a minute. As I scrub, I think I've done that for about a minute. Give it a good back and forth. Now, I will use a wet towel, wet rag, and I'll wipe it up. And I'm going to put a little bit better light on this so you can see the difference, that you can see a comparison to how much lighter and cleaner this is compared to the untreated grout. Okay, be back. After we have wiped off the solution, you can see the grout is lighter. This is the treated grout. And if we move up, you can see what it would look like untreated. So it's very dark. And as we come down here, you can see after one treatment how much lighter it is. Well, that's it for my grout cleaning video. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Here on Dynamic Do-It-Yourself Diva, we try to help you save money and live greener. Thanks for watching. Until next time.